visuals. So, you know, I'm a creative director too, and I got a dance company. So, the way I did my visuals is like a little creative. Yes, consistently. I'm about to drop something in 2 weeks. I try to give you diverse, but I have some more like this, but I got something that's like Afro beats, kind of like Afrobeat slash pop. Like I don't know how to explain it. Probably slash Vogue, but I got like three more of these and one of those, and then I got like a rappy song. Like, well, it ain't come out yet, but I
Bars.
got like a rappy freestyle that I'm about to drop. What you said? Yeah, but I had like five shows already, and I opened up, you know, for Tiana Taylor concert 2 days, um, day one and day two. Right. Mhm. Right.